Greetings, it's Eric Bakker, the New Zealand Naturopath. Thanks for coming back. We're still into the replace stage of the Lite program. This is the 5th video in the replace stage. If you're a week or two into the replace stage by now, the second stage, you may be asking yourself, are my symptoms really improving? Is there anything I need to change? Am I feeling better? Am I feeling worse? What's going on? How do I know what real progress is? Am I doing this right? Well, these are all perfectly normal questions, and we're going to try and answer those today, so stay tuned. Replace rarely brings dramatic shifts or huge changes. Many people at this stage will be thinking, am I conquering Candida? Things take time, especially if a chronic pattern has been there for quite a few years. It brings functional ones, small ones, quiet ones, and these are generally the ones that last. We're looking at rebuilding digestion, improving the quality of our food. We're not looking at chasing symptoms and suppressing symptoms. In previous videos, we mentioned what real progress looks like, and it's not what you think. Real progress, you need to look for these things. Meals feel lighter, less bloating after eating, more daytime energy and less afternoon sleepiness, fewer cravings, more predictable digestion, also more predictable bowel function and more comfortable bowel function with less bloating and virtually no gas, slight sleep improvements, maybe even mood improvements. To me, these are all strong signals, even though your symptoms might not be gone. Let's talk about why you might not feel amazing yet at this stage. Clinically, I've found that a person's digestive system goes down, it starts getting stressed and weakens a long time before chronic illness appears. So rebuilding it's going to take time. If you've had digestive stress for years, your body needs consistency, predictability, reduced stress, and better quality food input. And to do this for long enough, and that's not a failure on your part, it's biology. That's just how the body works. Let's now talk about the common replace experiences I see in the clinic. And these are perfectly normal. There are 5 of them. The first one is some better days, some flat days, some worse days, some good days. So you may be up and down for a little while yet, all perfectly normal. Second one, energy improving before digestion fully settles. You'll find that your energy will pick up. Mental energy, physical energy, emotional energy, these should pick up slightly. That's a key sign that you're going in the right direction. Number 3, appetite becoming more regular. So you'll find you're going to get hungry more often. The 4th one, your food reactions are becoming milder. If you've been highly reactive to several foods, you may notice over time that these reactions are diminishing. And the 5th one is a sense of less inflammation generally in the body. So some of your pain points should not feel quite as painful as they used to. What we don't want is chaos at this stage. We don't want to push you too hard. If things feel calmer overall, even imperfectly, then you're progressing. Now, what if something still feels off in my gut? I'm not really feeling settled. If you still feel discomfort in your gut, if meals still feel heavy or bloating lingers on, it usually means that your digestive system needs more support. It doesn't need more restrictions. So let's now talk about the 4 key things to focus on with your meals if you're feeling stuck at this stage. The important thing is to look at the quality of the food that you're eating. And with that good quality food, slow down how you eat it. Remember, the first 5 minutes will govern the digestive process. So slow down. The second one is simplifying ingredients. So very basic ingredients in your meals. The third one is regular meal timing. Try and eat 2 to 3 meals at regular times throughout the day, and not to eat 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed at night. And the last one, adequate protein and healthy fats. This is going to help you a lot with appetite control. Try those things out. Also recommend, if you've still got bloating or gas or want to really help your digestive system, to take some digestive enzymes and some probiotics. Check out the Yeastrix active enzymes and the Yeastrix daily probiotic. I designed these to go with a program just like this. So now that we got that all out the way, let's do a simple self-check. Ask yourself this: is your digestion calmer than in Remove? Does it feel somewhat more settled, less bloating, less gas? Even just 5%. Are ultra-processed foods mostly gone? Have you cut out the junk food or takeaway food? Have you gone more for whole foods? The third one, are meals more intentional now? Are you becoming more aware of chewing and putting your mobile phone down and spending time with your meals, being in the moment? Am I eating meals more slowly? Chewing food properly. Remember that 5-minute rule? And the last one, do I feel more stable overall? Does my gut feel more stable? Is my energy stable? Do I feel a little bit better in myself? If you can answer any of these questions yes, then you're definitely on the right track. Good point to bring up is replace is not about pushing harder. It's about gaining digestive confidence again. It's about getting our gut to work at optimal. If you rush or push this stage too hard, it'll often backfire and symptoms can come right back at you. And it's often at this stage that people jump ship. they jump to a new program, they try a biofilm buster, or they'll try something else. If you stay steady, your digestive system will catch up. In the next video, we wrap up the replace stage, stage 2, and we calmly prepare you for the rebuild stage, stage 3. Now remember, we're not after quick fixes here. We're building gut resilience, and that changes everything. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch up with you in video 13. Don't forget to like and sub. Thank you.